afternoon po. Now, going back to information about Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo. Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo is a private rescue center for endangered and wild animals. And we have been preserving these animals since 2005. And we are in coordination with DENR, DOT, and BAI. That was a way of saying thank you for being with us in this crocodilific afternoon. The broadcast show will you will meet our animal ambassadors and get your free selfies after the show. But before that, I have some friendly reminders for you to follow muna, okay? Una-una po sa mga nakatayo, upo lang po tayo. And guys, 2, 3, and... Ayan, mukhang ready na yung mga bisita natin mga kuya. Ready na ba ang ating mga kalaw? Now folks, prepare your cameras. Mabilis lang to. At the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, and... Wow, what a perfect catch! Mr. Bill and JJ. Now guys, when you see a hornbill doing that in the wild, you are so very lucky because they are actually in mating season. So nanliligaw po yung mga lalaking kalaw na gumagawa. 1, 2, 3, and that is Mr. Bill. And JJ, our Southern Rufous Hornbill, are also known as the Kalaw. They are our sulfur-crested kakadu with a scientific name of Kakatuwa galerata. They can be found in Australia. Si Beauty guys. So isa pa daw. Paano magpakibot ang isang kakatu Beauty? Yeah. There you go. And as palakpakan naman po namin si Jumbo guys. Ladies and gentlemen, that is Jumbo, our umbrella crested kakatu with a saga boy. Kahit anong mangyari ma'am, huwag mo yata hawakan si Jumbo. Okay na Jumbo, get the paper money. Yeah, paano? Kuha yung pera boy. Galing kay Kuya Jimar. And there you go, palakpakan natin si Jumbo. Ayan, there you go. Very good. Galing kay Kuya Jimar. And guys, palakpakan natin si Mama. Take kuha yung pera, bigay, balik kay Kuya Jimar. And there you go. Palakpakan po natin. Balik natin yung pera kay ate. Lapag, ayun yung pa. There you go. Palakpakan po. The count of 3. Lapag yung kahoy. 1, 2, 3, and go. Okay na pala, anong gagawin natin boy? Paano tayo mag-build ng nest in the wild? Ayan, kunin natin yung branches. Ay, isa lang boy. Ayan, there you go. Ay, ayan. Ayan, sumusik pa si Barak. Ayan, Barak, akit, dahan-dahan lang ha. Huwag natin ihulog. And there you go. That is three hands of beak in action. Meaning, they are able to grab things without using their beak. And as you can see, Barak used his beak po para kunin yung kahoy. Ayan, mukhang meron pa isang branches, Barak. Ayan, dahan lang tayo ha. Baka mahulog po tayo, Barak. And alongside with his free hands of beak, ginagamit din ni Barak yung kanyang zygodactyl para ng ating mga kamay. Yes po, ganyan na ganyan po yung kanilang mga tail. Same sa mga monkey at iba. Ayan sa mga bisita natin, pakirady na lang po ng ating mga cameras guys. At daddy, nandiyan yung pwesto natin, daddy. Ayan, guys po, ayan na mga folks, mukhang ready na si Teddy folks. There you go. Palakpakan po natin si Teddy guys. That is free hands out tail in action po. And they are doing that in the wild to grab some fruits hanging from a branch. Palakpakan po natin. See, the reason why they're bearing their name is because Piolo?
Ay.
Jaloy. Malapit si Kuya Cyrus sa inyo guys, okay? And syempre, Bijan talaga, nasasakit po yung ating ahas.
Guniti!
Guys, conquer your fear po, face your fears, paminsan-minsan lang po ito, okay? Kailangan lang po yung kalapit sa inyo.
Asa mo tapos kumula niya? Hindi ba?
our animal ambassadors. The best is already the blue.
Oy! Pagkanaw! Alan, naman sa mali. Come here! Come here! Yan, so Adriata, that's way po tayo. Ay, ano?
Ulo, maguna. Bye-bye!
No, pusing po siya oh. Pusing it siya oh.
Delikado, basta ka naman niya pala sa gagoy. Huwag delikado. Delikado, basta ka naman niya pala sa gagoy. Huwag delikado.